Experience the road like never before with the 2025 Kenworth T 2000 Motorhome, where raw power meets first-class luxury. Whether you're a cross-country traveler or a weekend warrior, this rig transforms every mile into a five-star adventure. The 2025 Kenworth T 2000 Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece, engineered for those who refuse to compromise. With a bold, aerodynamic design borrowed from the legendary T2000 semi-truck platform, this motorhome combines heavy-duty durability with unmatched comfort. Under the hood, the T2000 is powered by a Cummins X15 engine, pushing out a massive 605 horsepower and 2050 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful motorhomes on the road today. Whether you're towing a trailer, cruising through mountains, or gliding down highways, the performance remains smooth, steady, and impressively efficient for its size. Inside, the motorhome reveals its true luxury DNA. Step into a space that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a vehicle. Plush leather seating, heated and ventilated captain chairs, a full kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a residential-size refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and even a dishwasher, all powered by an onboard solar and lithium-ion system. The lounge area features a 65-inch smart TV, surround sound system, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood for relaxing evenings. The bedroom comes with a king-size memory foam bed, cedar-lined closets, hidden storage compartments, and a sky roof that lets you sleep under the stars without leaving your bed. The bathroom includes a rain-style shower, ceramic toilet, and marble countertops, rivaling most home bathrooms in both design and space. Technologically, the T2000 is ahead of its time. The cockpit features a digital dash, advanced driver assist systems, collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Connectivity is seamless with onboard Wi-Fi, multiple USB-C ports, and integrated smart home controls for lights, climate, and entertainment. Driving such a massive vehicle has never felt easier, thanks to air suspension, adjustable ride height, and noise-canceling insulation. The ride is whisper quiet and ultra-smooth. The T2000 is also equipped with automatic leveling jacks, making setting up camp as simple as pushing a button. Storage is abundant, with exterior bays featuring power slide trays and climate control, perfect for tools, gear, or extra luggage. The motorhome also offers an outdoor entertainment center, complete with TV, speakers, and a mini fridge, ideal for tailgates or nights under the stars. If you're searching for a vehicle that gives you the freedom of the open road, without sacrificing comfort or style, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome delivers on every front. It's not just built for travel, it's built to redefine it. For the adventurer who demands more from life, this is the future of motorized luxury living. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.